If you use Microsoft Word every day, these simple shortcuts can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Word and how to paste text only using quick keyboard shortcuts. This is perfect if you want to work faster, read more comfortably, and avoid bringing unwanted formatting into your document. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work on. Once your file is open, you can quickly control the zoom without digging through menus. To zoom in, hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel up. This makes the page appear larger so you can focus onto details more clearly. To zoom out, hold Ctrl and scroll your mouse wheel down. This shrinks the view so you can see more of the page at once. If you prefer using the keyboard instead of the mouse wheel, there are also direct shortcuts. Press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in. Press Ctrl and the minus key to zoom out. These shortcuts are especially useful when you're editing text, reviewing formatting, or switching between close-up editing and full-page viewing. Now let's talk about pasting text only. This is one of the most useful Word shortcuts because it helps you avoid copying bold, colors, font sizes, or other formatting from another source. First, copy your text using Ctrl and C. Then go to the place in your Word document where you want to insert it. If you paste normally with Ctrl and V, Word may keep the original formatting here. That can be helpful sometimes, but if you want clean text only, you'll want to use a text-only paste option. In many versions of Word, you can right-click and choose a paste option that keeps only the text. Depending on your version, this may be labeled as Keep Text Only. This is great when you're copying from websites, emails, or other documents and want everything to match the style of your Word file. If you paste text only, your document stays cleaner and easier to format afterward. You can then apply your own fonts, headings, spacing, and styles without fighting mismatched formatting here. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl plus mouse scroll up or Ctrl plus plus to zoom in, Ctrl plus mouse scroll down or Ctrl plus minus to zoom out. Then use copy and paste shortcuts to move text around, and choose paste text only when you want clean, consistent formatting. These are small shortcuts, but once you start using them, they can make a big difference in how fast you work in Word. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.